Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to backtest or backtesting, right? So basically, if you want to backtest, let me say you want to backtest what happened this the week, will I say the previous week, because today is Sunday, right? This is a new week. I'm doing this video on a Sunday and this is a new week. So if I want to check what literally happened throughout last week, that is from Monday to Friday, right? Because this is Euro USD and it's 5 days a week, right? Saturday and Sundays, no trades. Okay, so if you want to know what happened, like you want to backtest, you want to understand what is happening in the market structure and price action, or you want to know how to backtest overall, right? It's just for you to pick a week, or once you pick a week, then I'll now show you how to literally, make things more clearer for you to understand better. Believe me, this thing I'm gonna be teaching in this video, it's not like no one will teach you. You rarely see it, right? You rarely see it. You rarely see people talking about this. People don't really talk about it this way. The way I'll break it down for you, you will understand better. So this is Euro USD on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, all these red lines are literally vertical lines I added. Vertical lines I added on the daily is together as one, but like once I move to the daily time frame, you see that this red line is actually each day represented. And believe me, this is the first week of the month. Basically, how this week ended was last month and last month closure, and this is the first week of the month, right? Like this past week is literally the first, although it doesn't have many days, but it was the first because today is started from 29 August to 2nd of September. You understand? So if you go to the monthly time frame, just for you to see the overall, but you can see that Euro USD, we are, let's say, bearish, like it's bearish, right? And it's very, very, very low. And from the monthly, you can now see that the red lines is now into two. You understand? Because this was last month closure and this month open. So as you can see that price is literally what rallying lower, but that is not what I'm here to. I'm not here to talk about the overall market structure. I'm here to show you how to backtest and understand plainly the characteristics of what each days or days are doing in the markets. You understand? Or week. So from there you drop to the weekly time frame. As you can see, don't mind, you should have, let's say, different charts for your analysis and backtest. As you can see, I have different Euro USD. This is another Euro USD. Maybe I just use for another. So it's advised to have different pairs that you use for. You don't use your main you can use your main chart to do it, but like it's preferable you don't use your main chart to do your backtesting, right? So I'll drop down to the daily time frame now. So dropping down to the daily time frame, looking at it here, I don't think it will be making any sense to you, right? It will not be making any sense to you currently, but mind you, what you should focus was Monday open. Where did Monday open? So this blue body here for the first line is where Monday open, and where did market close? Here is where market close. So you can see that this week literally should form an engulfing candle, because this is the open and this is the closure. They are two what close. So this is the whole week that you're looking at, or you're seeing here currently. This is the week. You understand? And basically you can see the weekly ranges from here to here is the weekly edge. It actually looks like consolidating overall market structure, but like we are focusing on intraday section, because before you start trading overall daily time frame or hourly 4-hour time frame, that is long-term trades, right? It takes time to feel. So starting from intraday trading will give you much knowledge or much price action to learn more, so that even if you see what is trying to form on the bigger picture, because it takes time, you still know about that. So starting from the lower time frame while learning, it's actually gives you more edge or anything. You understand? So now to confirm what I'm saying, go to the weekly time frame. You see what I'm saying? It's very clear. You can see it's an engulfing candle, because the Monday, so you can see all this week is just an expansion. It's just a weekly expansion, but end up closing as so what do I actually want to see next week? Price going a bit lower to form a week also, then breaking higher or like breaking lower. So like basically it's not like I don't want to anticipate the big picture currently. Let's just focus on what we are like. Let me focus on what I'm here to teach, right? Because there are many things to put into consideration, focusing in the big picture. So the another thing I want you to notice here is, once you have marked out your weekly open is here. Let me zoom so that you can see it clearly. Let me zoom. So this is where the open, here the bottom here is the open. here is the weekly open. From this red line you can see it has a red. Then this is the close, like Monday open and close. This is daily time frame, right? And this for here, this is the open and this is the what, close, right? So that is it. So as you have looked or you have observed the weekly open and close, then observe what happened in price action. So you can see on Monday, bullish price went up, broke not really broke short, or Tuesday, Wednesday. So here you can see that Wednesday formed the high of the week. See it here, this top one. Let me zoom so that you can see clearly. So you can see that Wednesday formed the high of the week. You take note of that. Wednesday formed the high of the week. Then you can see that Monday open also literally looks like it formed the low of the week. Monday open formed the low of the week. Okay, let me drop on the 4-hour time, or let me just explain from here. So basically you can see that Wednesday formed the high of the week. Then Monday not only the open, but it extended to form this, because look at the open here, right? So this week down extended to form the what, low of the week, which literally came back on Thursday. Price came back to the low, not really the low, but prior to the low of the week. Then on Friday we saw price expanding higher also, but didn't take out Wednesday's high. So understand this price movement, and if you check the previous week, it has the same characteristics. So in the edge of backtesting, it makes you understand more or what is happening. When I drop down to the 4-hour, it gets more interesting, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you guys what happened. Now backtesting, you backtest not really looking at the candle, you backtest with respect to time. Okay, you backtest with respect to time. So dropping down on the 4-hour time frame, what are you focusing here? When did the high of the day form? Look at this, from here to here now is literally Monday trading day. Monday, right? From here to here is Monday. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You understand? Literally Friday actually. You understand? So looking at it from this perspective, sorry, you once you're in the 4-hour time frame, okay, you observe. So look at, this was the low of the week. I took this buy on Monday, and I did not take this buy on Friday, but like I marked it out. I just observed that. So you can see the low, and you can see the high on Wednesday. You understand? So after looking at this, the weekly ones, right? Not really the weekly, from the daily, right? Then now you come to the individual days. Although this is the 4-hour time frame, but like it helps you see everything clearer. You look at the 4-hour time frame. This is the high of Monday, and this is the low of Monday. You understand? Then on Tuesday, nothing really happened. Tuesday was literally consolidating. You understand? After I don't really know how to talk about it, but there are other things to also learn before backtesting, because you have to understand price delivery. That is consolidation, expansion, retracement, and reversal. Yeah, retracement and reversal. So all these are what's actually, there's a characteristics of price delivery. So but basically I don't really want to go deep into that. I'm just showing you guys how to backtest. In fact, before you even start backtesting, right, you should have understand all these things, because you don't just start backtesting without knowing nothing, I guess. So if you literally want to learn more, right, do well to join the Telegram. I'll drop in the link on the description below, right? So you do well to join our Telegram, or follow me on my socials, because I also update about all those stuff. You understand? And if you want to join our VIP group, do well to contact me also to learn more. Okay, yeah. So let me proceed. So looking at Tuesday's high and low, you can see Tuesday literally ranged. Then Wednesday, what do we see on Wednesday? We saw a sort of reversal, but like ended up making the high of the day. So Tuesday, will I say, went into a discount price for you to buy. You understand? After, I'll show you, because doing this is not really the main thing to know. I'm just showing you what you are to look out for, but like there's a main characteristics here which I'll be mentioning very soon. Then Thursday, you can see how Thursday made to like join the low of the week to form an equal low, sort of that. Then Friday we saw the expansion, then within the PM session also price closes. So all this thing I'm saying now, I don't think a beginner will literally understand my main points or what I'm trying to say, because it's really this is no indicator, because price action is literally showing you everything to know. It's not like indicators are bad or anything. As long as you're making money from any strategy you're using or anything, it's just that coming down to understand price action properly, right? That is the main thing you should focus on. Coming down to understand price action properly. Yeah. Many people I don't see many people doing this particular stuff I'm talking about. I don't see many people doing it. And there are many things I don't see many people doing also. Like knowledge is, it depends on, because I don't like, you don't expect everybody to know what you know. It depends on how deep you go to study. That is what you literally know, or how you have been observing, because many people don't even journal their trend. Well, let me just forget about the ranting and proceed to my teaching. So what is the main element or the main thing to look out for in backtesting? So I will surprise you now. And the main thing is literally what? Time. You have to understanding price action is like price, like what price, characteristics of price with respect to time. So for example now, this on Monday, like this Monday, this box here, and this the high. I will surprise you. So let me check which time what did the high of the day form on Monday. What was the time and how long did it take to like form the, and you can see here from here is 9 o'clock London GMT. This is 9 a.m. GMT, and I guess in New York should be early morning around 4 or 5 a.m. in New York, that is EST. But like I'm using GMT, okay? You should understand your time zone. Actually, I'm using GMT because yeah, that is my time zone. But it's the same as London time anyway. You understand? So when was the high of the day formed? Literally by 9 a.m. This is London, right? Then same Monday, I believe the low was on 1 a.m. This early morning, actually. Early morning, yes. This early morning hours. So on Tuesday, moving to Tuesday, when was the high of Tuesday form? Observe, this is Tuesday now. Observe, look here, see the time, see where time is showing here, down here, right? When was the high of the day form on Tuesday? 9 a.m. and still London open. But like, when you drop down now, you see the characteristics of what, like, how would you, how could you, how would I put this? How you could have taken the advantage of the trees to take out the London highs. And you also look at it with respect to market structure anyway, you understand. But like here I do not see any much opportunity, but this is a 4 hour time frame, so all this move would have been a 20 to 40 pips move trade. You don't really need much, right? 20 pips daily is massive, or 20 pips per section is like per trading, like per London session or New York session is great. With 10 standard lots, that is $2,000, I guess. With one lot is $200. So like it depends on your account size anyway. Account size really matters, you understand? Account size really matters. So like, yeah, but like you don't need 100 pips to be successful, to make millions in trader. No, you just need consistent stuff, right? So Monday high of the day was formed by 9 a.m. Tuesday high of the day was literally formed by 9 a.m. But like if you break down to the 15 minutes time frame, you now see the market structure. Like depending on the knowledge you have, what gives you entry, your entry criteria, you check if you would have taken this trade or not. You understand? But now this timing really matters, because now you have in your mind that yes, by 9 a.m. I'm expecting price to go and form the high of the day before any other thing. So let's dive to Wednesday. Wednesday did not form okay, see Wednesday high of the day, and the time was like 5. But now Wednesday end up forming low of his day, because this is Wednesday range now, but the low was formed when by 9. So the low was formed by 9, and this high now was formed by when? This high was formed by 3, and this 1300. 13 is literally 1. That is London New York open, the high formed. Now here you check when the low was formed here, and the low was formed 1. So literally you see London session 9 forming the high, then New York open forming the low, then it continues its uptrend, because basically this is an uptrend. Like prices just keep running high anyway currently within these weekdays. I don't really know if you're getting my point, right? You just have to understand this price action with respect to time. Although I didn't break it down to the lower time frame and showing more, but like from what I'm showing you on the screen and what I'm saying, you should like get the point I'm trying to make. So here on Thursday, you can see that the high of the day, this was 5 a.m. like literally trying to form a high, but like you can see that 5 a.m. these 4 hour time frames, right? 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. look at where I'm showing you guys top here, and look at the time here, just this one on ash color, right? So you can see that these two are literally equal highs, right? If assuming you break down to the lower time frame, you might see like something like this 4 minutes to break lower, you understand? And if you'd have taken this cell to form the low to target where the low of the day. But like on Wednesday, or this is Thursday, I guess Thursday, price literally from here, then what this was the low of Thursday, and when was it from? 13, and this 13 was when 1. So look at the lows here, look at the lows. This is the daily range. So this red line distance, yeah, so I was saying this distance here is literally what? The daily distance. So on Friday, let's look into Friday. This is Friday trading range, although I did not like mark from the closure, then you understand. So basically, if you can see, let's check when the high of Friday was formed, right? The high of Friday was formed here by 9. So you can see that this is a 4-hour time frame candle, right? But I just want you to understand this, that like this literally what happens, right? It's either the high or low, and this one is formed by 3 p.m. and I don't really want to make this video longer, right? So I'll be explaining further and breaking down lower on the lower time frame, right? Like example, the 1-hour time frame. So but like I believe the VIP group will get this course or this lecture in full. As you can see, okay, let me drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. So this trade now is literally a solid trade. This happened on Friday, right? Expecting price, I know when the price tapped in here, then to give you this check. If I should check now, you see that yes, this is a 45 pips trade. But me, I would have targeted here. This should be my TP1 around here, and this TP1, let me see the price, is around 20 pips. So 25 pips, cool. No massive drawdown, and see where the stop loss is, right? So that is literally it. But like this, just like if you're backtesting, you should have all these I mentioned in mind, right? You should have it in mind. So I just give you guys a clue. So if you literally want to learn more, do well to contact me to join the VIP group. Then you can use the links below anyway to join the Telegram. I have a free group where I also post my thoughts, my signals. Also, these same characteristics play out here. So if you have all this in mind, you know what it's not like you know what the market is trying to do, but like you have an expectation, you are seeing it, and it's literally happening. So understanding price action with a reference to time really matters a lot. So it's just for you to learn more, and focusing on one pair helps a lot. You understand it better. Like the pair you're trading, it's not like you're trading 400 pairs and you still lose money. You're trading everything and you're still losing more. So my advice is do well to get knowledge, learn more, right? Learn more. Once you learn more, you're good to go. Like taking 2 trades a week is literally making 4% of my account anyway, because one trade also like give me 2% of my account also, because I'm risking 1% always to get 2. You understand? Depending on account size, in 100k accounts is risking $1,000 to make $2,000. So if I should take 2 trades, that is $4,000 weekly, and it's cool. You understand? So that is just it anyway. Trading is not like stressful as it seems, or so difficult as it looks like. It's difficult if you don't have knowledge, but if you learn more, it becomes more easy for you. So thank you for watching this video once again, and bye bye.